Hello, everyone. So I love ClickUp, but the problem is it takes forever to create a task. I just want to be able to just create a task like this, and I haven't found a way to do it until now. So I did some scripting in a program called Autohotkey. I will also link a video on how to use Autohotkey, and I will give you the script as well. So if I'm just at my desktop right now, but I could be anywhere on a website, whatever. I'm just going to press Control T. And now, bam, I can create a new task. Control T is my, what can I say? This is my choice. I could have anything like Control D or write Panda, like whatever, could be anything. I like Control T. And the second thing I think is hard with ClickUp is to write a task. Normally you have to write like shop blueberries. And then you have to press this and kind of this. And now I'm in due date, right? For me, this is too many clicks. So I'm gonna write shop blueberries. And now instead of pressing space, I'm just gonna press another symbol. It's just one click. You could choose anything. And now I am in the due date section. And also I have written a reminder for myself. Is the task really worth it? Maybe I don't need it. You know, if you have ADHD, you're kind of impulsive. So, okay, yes, it's worth it. And then I will just write tomorrow, 4 p.m. Bam, now it's done. I think this is like, now it's fast and easy to create a task. This is what Todoist had that ClickUp didn't have. And this was the whole reason I left ClickUp for Todoist, because this, for me, is super important because I just don't have patience. It needs to be super fast. So yeah, I will add a script below. And like I said, I will add a video where they show you how you can install Autohotkey, and then you can just copy paste my script and you can change it to your liking.